Tom here from EVS Canada. I'm a territory manager for Vancouver Lower Mainland, and I help and focus mainly on the hospitality industry. At EVS Canada, we help many businesses with premium beverage solutions, and we're also a direct sales partner for Nespresso Professional. We help many hospitality businesses like hotels, restaurants, and also offices with the highest quality coffee, where every single coffee bean is handpicked and sustainably sourced. To give second life to the used capsules, we offer complimentary recycling services, and your easy-to-use coffee machine is looked after our local technician. A little bit about our Gemini coffee machine here. With the Gemini coffee machine, you don't have to be a barista to be able to make a nice cappuccino. This coffee machine is suited for a medium-sized restaurant or, for example, office space with about 20 employees or more. The Gemini 224 is equipped with 2 brewing heads, and each brewing head will have 3 pour sizes. The first one is the Ristretto, which is 25 milliliters. The second one is the regular Espresso, which is 40 milliliters. And the last one is, we call it Lungo, which is 110 milliliters. The medium part here, you can see, that's our milk frother to make cappuccinos, lattes, espresso macchiatos. As you can see, there is a frother device here. And with this frother device, you can, one side is cappuccino, and the other side is cafe latte. With this dial, you can adjust the froth quality as well. Here you can see 1 liter milk container. It's a thermos container, so keeps the milk cold. Also, you can see here a couple of little trays. These trays will hold, each tray will hold about 35 used capsules, so you have 70 used capsule container built in. And on the sides of the coffee machine, there are 2 3-liter water tanks, which is enough for about 150 shots of espresso. But it also can be plumbed into the direct water line. On the top of the coffee machine, you can see here there is a cup warmer plate where you can put your espresso or porcelain Nespresso cappuccino cups. And talking about coffee, as you can see, we carry here 17 different coffee blends, and each coffee capsule is hermetically sealed to capture the freshness of the coffee soon after it's roasted and grind. And also, of course, to keep out the moisture, air, and sun, which can affect the coffee quality. And with the Gemini coffee machine, you can prepare 2 coffee beverages at the same time. And now I'm going to show you how to prepare a cappuccino and an espresso. The cappuccino will take about 50 seconds to prepare, just under a minute, and an espresso shot will take about 30 seconds to prepare. So if you're thinking about, for example, in a restaurant, you have a table of 6. If you are preparing 6 coffee beverages, that would take you less than 6 minutes to prepare. Here I have a coffee capsule, and make sure the rim of the coffee capsule are nice and straight, and you just place it in the brewing head, press an espresso button. At the same time, I'm going to drop another capsule here, press an espresso button. The coffee machine, it's working with a 19 bar hot water high pressure system. That what makes the beautiful crema in your coffee. As soon as the brewing process is over, I'm going to move this cappuccino cup to the milk frother section. As you can see, the espresso is ready. And just move it over to the cappuccino milk frother and press and release the frother button. You can adjust the froth quality with this little dial. Make sure your setting is on the cappuccino setting. And voila, enjoy a nice cappuccino and a beautiful espresso.